Just cleared the alarm system out. 5-second timer, gives you battery alarm voltage, and you get your port main engine low oil level. Go to the alarm log, everything in red is active. I only have 1 point in the alarm in the PLC active right now, just to show that the newest occurrence of an alarm would be on the list after having gotten a port main engine high battery voltage alarm. You can scroll right here. Now, in the original snooze timer alarm program, the very first one that I did, the snooze timer would work. You'd get a siren, but you wouldn't know what was active on the list. It would show whatever alarm was on the list, the newest occurrence alarm. So now that we got away from the 1 second on, 1 second off, filling up the alarm log, this is going to operate a little different. I got the snooze timer set at 2 minutes. Alright, there's your outstanding port main engine battery voltage. Now when I hit the acknowledge, I'm going to silence the horn, and it clears out that alarm on the alarm list. But watch what happens. The outstanding port main engine battery alarm that you just got turns to black, but the original main engine battery high DC voltage is still in red. 2 minutes from now, you're going to get the same alarm, and the same thing's going to happen again. So check it out, Brandon, and see what you think. Let me know.